Ni 100 million rifles, 75 years of production, 30 countries manufacturing the same design. The AK-47 is the most produced firearm in human history, and it begins in a foundry where 1200-degree furnaces melt high-carbon steel into glowing orange liquid. Let's see how tons of steel and hardwood become the world's most reliable assault rifle through precision engineering and relentless quality control. 5 in the morning. Trucks loaded with 40 tons of high-carbon steel arrive at the Izhmash factory gates in Izhevsk, Russia. Simultaneously, birch and beech lumber, dried to exactly 12% moisture content, enters specialized carpentry workshops. The steel heads directly to industrial furnaces reaching 100 watts, while the wood undergoes controlled drying in chambers that reduce humidity to prevent warping during the rifle's decades of service life. The molten steel, now glowing orange at 1200 Royalties, pours into precision industrial molds designed to create the rifle's fundamental components. The receiver, the weapon skeleton, takes shape first, followed by the barrel and bolt carrier. These molds function like negative sculptures, each calibrated to ensure pieces maintain tolerances within 0.02 millimeters. As the steel cools and solidifies, hydraulic presses capable of exerting 2,000 tons of pressure shape the rough components. The metallic clanging reverberates throughout the factory floor as steel is compressed to increase density and strength, preparing it to withstand the constant stress of recoil and the explosive force of 600 rounds per minute. The barrel requires internal drilling known as rifling, spiral grooves that stabilize bullets in flight. The tolerance here is critical. Deviation beyond 0.0003 millimeters ruins the weapon's accuracy completely. Computer-controlled lathes cut these grooves at a precise 1 in 240 millimeters twist rate, with each groove exactly 0.15 millimeters deep. 1 degree off in the spiral angle, and the rifle fails ballistic testing. The automated systems measure each cut with laser precision, rejecting any barrel that falls outside the 0.003 millimeter tolerance window. Semi-finished components move to a line of CNC lathes and milling machines operating as digital sculptors. First phase. Rough machining removes 60% of excess material in 12 minutes per piece. Second phase. Precision cutting achieves final dimensions within 0.001 millimeters over 8 minutes. Third phase. Surface polishing reduces roughness to 0.4 micrometers in 4 minutes. Smaller components, trigger, safety selector, and firing pins, manufacture separately using tempered steel heated to 850 hours, then rapidly cooled to achieve 58 HRC hardness rating. Quality scanners reject 2.3% of components at this stage. The bolt carrier group, 847 grams of precision machined steel, cycles 10,000 times per hour during stress testing. This component travels 127 millimeters backward and forward with each shot, absorbing 1,200 joules of energy from gas pressure, while maintaining timing accuracy within 0.02 seconds. The engineering traces back to Mikhail Kalashnikov's 1947 design, which prioritized simplicity. Only 8 moving parts compared to 60+ in contemporary rifles. Assembly begins in a sterile production line, where specialized technicians work with watchmaker precision. The bolt carrier installs first, an ingenious mechanism that loads, fires, and ejects cartridges in continuous cycle. Next comes the return spring, absorbing recoil energy and returning the bolt to battery position, enabling full automatic fire without interruption. The hammer, firing pin, and trigger assembly follow, all manufactured from heat-treated steel resistant to wear after 50,000 rounds. These components fit inside the trigger housing, a hollow but reinforced structure serving as the rifle's chassis, uniting all moving parts while withstanding 39,000 psi chamber pressure per shot. Conveyor belts move assemblies between 12 stations, where robots insert screws while human operators verify millimeter-perfect fitment. The Izhevsk factory produces 1,000 completed rifles daily using this hybrid automation system. The gas system operates on precisely calculated pressure differentials. Gas pressure from each fired cartridge, measuring 2,400 psi, must divert exactly 340 psi through the gas port to cycle the action. The gas port diameter measures 2.0 millimeters with tolerance of 0.05, 0.00 millimeters. Too large, overgassed system causes violent extraction and component damage. Too small, insufficient pressure fails to cycle the action reliably. Soviet engineers determined this specification through 50,000 test rounds in 1949, and it remains unchanged across all AK variants manufactured in 30 countries today. 100 million AK-47s manufactured since 1949 represents 2.4 million tons of steel and 800,000 cubic meters of hardwood, enough material to build 47 Eiffel Towers. The Kalashnikov production network spans 30 countries across 6 continents, from Russia's Izhmash to Bulgaria's Arsenal Works, from China's Norinco to Venezuela's Kavim. In some regions, AK-47s trade for $50, less than a smartphone, while maintaining functionality after decades of service. Each rifle fires 7.62 39mm cartridges at 715 meters per second, delivering 2,010 joules of muzzle energy, with effective range of 400 meters. The cyclic rate of 600 rounds per minute means one trigger pull releases 10 bullets per second in full automatic mode. Each completed rifle undergoes live fire testing with 120 rounds of military specification ammunition. Technicians verify 3 parameters: reliability, 0 malfunctions; consistency, shot groupings within 15 centimeters at 100 meters; and cyclic rate, 590, 610 rounds per minute. Rifles failing any criterion return to assembly for component replacement. Passing rifles receive laser-engraved serial numbers, manufacturing date, and country code on the receiver. Workers apply anti-corrosive coating and partial disassembly. For shipping in reinforced containers designed for transcontinental transport. Each container holds 48 rifles valued at $24,000, tracked through GPS-enabled logistics systems to military arsenals, police forces, and authorized dealers across 147 countries. 75 years unchanged, 100 million manufactured, 30 countries producing the same Kalashnikov design. The AK-47 proves that engineering perfection lies in operational simplicity, not complexity. Yet, Mikhail Kalashnikov never received royalties for creating the world's most influential firearm. Soviet state employment meant his design belonged to humanity, for better or worse. What other iconic weapon system would you like to see manufactured step by step? Drop your suggestions in the comments and subscribe for more industrial processes that shaped our world.